Instagram launching live rooms, multi-user video chat. And it's essentially Clubhouse with a camera, kind of.
Yeah.
Granted, it's 4 people in the what are they calling it? In the live room. You add 4 people. It will notify all 4 people. You get 4 celebrities in there. It's the notifications flying. It's a party. All kinds of viewerships. Or rap battles was what you wanted to see.
Oh, yeah. This is a game changer. Just by adding the camera, that's big, right? People want to see.
It's pretty big, but it was also kind of what was fun about Clubhouse is that I feel like a lot of people were more inclined to join up or to enter a room because they didn't have to think about their camera.
Right, yeah. It's more accessible.
You could just jump in and not have to look around and be like, well, I got the socks on the floor over there. And not that I would, I don't know. I mean, but it's a consideration that you don't have to even think about on Clubhouse. I think it was kind of.
It was more loose like that.
It had an old school feel to it, like almost like a phone call sort of.
Yeah.
Anyway, you knew it couldn't last. You knew they had to take it to another level. You know humans always want more, not less. It appears to be the case. So yeah, they'll take the camera. And you're right, it is a game changer. And isn't it amazing how quickly they can implement these features? These huge social media companies, tremendous number of employees. You're a little startup, you're Clubhouse. You got all the money from the investments and whatnot.
Attention.
But how can you hire engineers fast enough to go against these guys? Well, Instagram's like, oh yeah, live rooms. Okay, let's do that.
Yeah,
too.
let's just turn it on.
Like, what else do we have? You know? Oh, what's the feature? What's the hot new thing? Okay, cool. Give us live rooms.
Right.
Anyway, Instagram announced the launch of new features today, starting with live rooms. Live rooms allows users to go live with up to 4 users at the same time. The ever popular Instagram before allowed users to add only one other person. Now it's a full out live room. You can take the party live. And here's another piece. You can earn money as well inside the live room. Feature allows users to purchase badges for the hosts and take advantage of other interactive features like shopping and fundraising. This is like a Twitch component to it as well. It's hard to know where to even put your stuff this day and age. Where are you publishing? Where are you streaming? Where are you live rooming and clubhousing and all the rest of it? You know, you got to figure out how you want to approach these things. But it seems pretty easy to access. Open the app, swipe to the left, pick the live camera option, then add a title and tap the rooms icon to add your guests. Everybody gets a notification. All you gotta do is invite your famous guests, Will, and then watch the thing blow up.
Yes.
That's all you gotta do. We'll see how Clubhouse deals with it. I mean, it's a tough spot. Anyway.